Makita battery chargers use indicator lights to communicate your battery's charging status. Understanding these light patterns will help you know exactly what's happening with your battery. A solid red light means your battery is currently charging and is below 80% capacity. This is the most common light you'll see during the early stages of charging. When you see both solid red and green lights together, your battery is still charging, but has reached above 80% capacity. You're getting close to a full charge. Here you can see the actual charging indicators on a real Makita charger, showing how the lights appear during different charging stages. A solid green light indicates your battery is fully charged at 100% capacity. Your battery is ready to use, and you can safely remove it from the charger. This image shows the solid green light on an actual charger, confirming the battery is done charging and ready for use. A flashing green light means the charger is powered on and ready to charge a battery. Simply insert your battery to begin the charging process. If your charger shows no lights at all, first check that it's properly connected to a working power outlet. Also, keep your charger clean from dust and debris to ensure proper function. Understanding these basic light patterns will help you effectively monitor your Makita battery charging process and ensure your tools are always ready when you need them. When your Makita charger displays unusual light patterns, it's trying to tell you about specific problems that need attention. A flashing red light indicates your battery is either too hot or too cold to charge safely. The charger will automatically wait until the battery reaches an acceptable temperature range. A flashing yellow light signals a cooling abnormality. This means the charger's cooling system isn't working properly and needs attention. When you see both red and green lights flashing together, this indicates a defective battery that cannot be charged and likely needs replacement. A solid yellow light means your battery needs conditioning. This typically happens when a battery has been completely drained and requires a special charging cycle. Alternating red and green lights indicate charging is not possible. This is often caused by dust on the battery contacts or a damaged battery connection. The most common solution is cleaning the battery contacts. Use a clean brush or cloth to remove dust and debris from both the battery and charger contacts. This simple maintenance step resolves many charging issues. Always ensure your charger is compatible with your battery's voltage. Using the wrong charger can prevent charging and potentially damage your battery. Check the voltage ratings on both the charger and battery before connecting.